In this video, we're going to take a look at how you factory reset a pair of Apple AirPods. Typically, you would perform a factory reset if you intend to lend, give away, or sell your AirPods. However, you might also perform a factory reset if you are experiencing Bluetooth connection issues or if you are having problems with the sensors that are built into the device. First, we need to locate the status indicator light that is built into the AirPods case. As we're using a second generation pair of Apple AirPods, our status indicator light is under the lid. Now, if we look on the back of the AirPod case, we will find a button that sits flush to the casing. In order to perform a factory reset, we need to use the tip of our finger to press and hold down this button for around 15 seconds or until the status light starts to flash amber. When the status light starts to flash amber, we can release our finger from the reset button as our AirPods will have been factory reset. As you can see, the indicator light is once again flashing white, which signifies that the AirPods are ready to be set up. While we can now close the lid on the case of our AirPods, we do also need to take a look at the device that our AirPods were connected to. As our AirPods have now been factory reset, which in turn has broken the Bluetooth pairing with our iOS device, if we select Settings and then from within Settings locate and choose Bluetooth, you can see that our AirPods still appear listed under My Devices. Although the AirPods are reporting that they are no longer connected, they are still registered to our iCloud account. So in order to deregister the AirPods, we now need to remove them from the My Devices list. You can see that listed next to our AirPods we have an information icon. If we select this icon, we are presented with the option Forget this device. When we select Forget this device, we're asked to confirm that we wish to forget our AirPods. After selecting Forget Device for a second time, we're asked to confirm that we wish to remove our AirPods from our iCloud account. By selecting Forget Device for a third time, we are returned to the Bluetooth settings panel. With our Apple AirPods now removed from the My Devices list, we have successfully factory reset our AirPods and deregistered them from both this device and our iCloud account.